Hello guys, sorry for being late. Just got busy with
I
the
Karthik.
yeah. Sorry,
Yeah, yeah.
sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
uh, just give me a minute.
Even
Logging
I
into
am
the
on my way to home. I'll just log
okay,
in via mobile.
okay. I think
Mm.
today, mid of the week and everybody is like catching
Yeah,
up with
yeah.
it.
For the weekend.
Yep.
Catching up for the weekend.
Yeah, yeah. So I think recording is on, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's on.
Okay, then just give me a minute. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know once my screen is visible.
Mhm. Yes.
Visible, right? So,
Mhm.
yeah. So this is one of the, tool for. Yesterday I was telling you, right? Like we are embedding the other system logic into the SAP. So for APM, it's APG stuff like SAP uses APM, but the underlying logic is APG's logic. Similar way, SAP is using advanced event mesh, but the underlying logic is for the Solace or PubSub plus cloud and all. Like you might have seen in some requirements and all. That integration consultant should have the APG knowledge and PubSub plus knowledge and all, and GCP, AWS and all. They will tell, right? So that's this thing only. Like I just like this is also like trial account is there. You can just log in using your personal mail ID and everything, but we don't need to learn everything in this. Okay, it's like just whatever SAP needed, they just took that part only into the SAP and you know basically what is advanced event mesh is like, there will be like, if you consider YouTube, if you want specific videos and all, like that's channel videos and all, you will subscribe, right? They will ask you to subscribe, and then only whatever the, like whenever they update some new video and all, you will get that update in our notification kind of that, so that you can go and watch video, like you are like a subscriber for them. So there will be like publisher and there will
Yeah.
be subscriber, right? So similar
Mhm.
way here also, CPA acts as a subscriber, and they like someone else, third party or some other system, like wherever we are fetching messages from, that will be the publisher. Okay, so it's like a publisher subscriber kind. So imagine there is some contract between Walmart and Vodafone and all, like two different companies, and whenever they update the agreement, or whenever they done something, when they were created an event, so we'll call it as an event. Okay, like normally we'll call it as a message, right? Like purchase order or something like that. So
Mhm.
what will call, like when the message got triggered, the message got sent, something like that. So here we'll call it as an event. So if they're updating it, we'll call it an event. If they're post creating, we'll call it an event. If they're deleting, we'll call it an event. So whenever they do some change, so it will become an event, and that has to be replicated into the backend or something. So event will be triggered, and that event has, we have to subscribe and we have to get that. So we'll call it as an event broker kind of broker. What they will do, they will arrange some event, they will arrange some meeting between boy and girl, right? Similarly like that, we CPA acts as a broker or like event broker between the publisher and the subscriber. Okay, so I will quickly share my screen. My screen is visible, right? Like I'm sharing. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so just share, open these links. Hmm. So we have event mesh and we have advanced event mesh. Okay, so initially SAP tried to bring event mesh, but it's not of that great use. So they brought advanced event mesh. So I mean, it's not like it is not at all used. It is like for simple queues and all, they will be using normal event mesh. So for a complex queues and all, like if the load is heavy or something like that, then we'll be going for advanced event mesh. Like if you want streaming enabled and parallel processing and all, then we'll be going advanced event mesh. So it says like event streaming and management platform for the real-time interface. Similarly, like that, like what the YouTube channels and all, they will be like when there is like live stream and all. When you will get updates, when you subscribe to that channel, then only will get notification like live stream is happening or new videos came, something like that. So whenever the event changes something, then only you will get the message or event and all. So this is the advanced event mesh, kind of free tier link and all. You can see this, and I'm just pasted everything over there. And advanced mesh, sorry, normal event mesh looks like this. So they have removed it from trial account. I think now in integration suite you will only see advanced event mesh, but not the event mesh. Like in trial account you won't be able to see, but this is how it was, like that part event applications and then SAP event mesh. Then you will be using the like sources here. It will come to application extensions, and then it was not user friendly and so we switched to the you know this thing advanced event mesh and all. You can just go through this like whenever free, like just to get the high level overview. And we have the self file and all. And okay, so, and as I said, the underlying logic is the Solace. So you can log in or subscribe, sorry, register for the Solace PubSub account using these links. Sign up. You just need to give like mail ID and then. So majorly we have this thing. Okay, we have something called as cluster manager, bro. Okay, if you click on this, just close this too. Okay, so you need to like you have like 3-4 environments here, like dev, prod, and integration. Integration is nothing but the QA one. Okay, so these like you can choose like whatever one, but this trial account validity is only for 30 days. Similarly, like integration suite, if you want new trial account, you need new mail ID. So I just create, using this dev environment. Okay, so I've already created one service. Okay, you can, if you want to create one new service, you can always come here. Okay, give the service name here and environment. You can choose whether it is dev or QA or something. And we have like cloud options here. Okay, whether it whatever service you want. So Amazon, do you want AWS? Like where do you want to host that event broker that way? So whether it is AWS or Google Clouds or Microsoft Azure or private cloud. In trial account, we don't have the private cloud account, like we can't access to that, but you can use the Amazon Web Service, GCP and all. Okay, so for our classes, I just use this GCP, I think. And then region, you can just choose whatever the nearest region you want. And everything like this all comes by default. Like so like since I've already created it, is saying like select another service type, you either reached your limits or the region does not support the service and something like that. So I will show you so I have created this Dave broker. I've given the Dave broker name, and it is a GCP cloud thing. So it's already running. So if you see this user interface, okay, we have something called as status, connect, manage, monitoring, configuration, training. Okay, so what and all I gave during configuration is I just given this dev broker and I choose the dev environment with the GCP cloud and all. Okay, rest all everything came by default. Okay, so if you see this cluster name, host and all, it is like creating a cloud environment for you, so that it will be act like a publisher, send a system to you so that you can consume the messages and all. So you have the connect option here. Okay, like you can connect to the multiple apps and all, and to consume the APIs and all. So one of the few of the major things which we use in CPI is like AMQP. Okay, AMQP is Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, and we will use Advanced Event Mesh Adapter also, and Solace. Okay, so if you just click on the Solace Java API, we will be having host here, message VPN, user password and all, so that this details we have to give in the CPA. I will explain you just for your idea, like where we'll get credentials and all. Even generally, like whenever you know integrating with third party system and all, they will be having specific user and password, right? So they will be having this, and we have to configure this in our CPA system just to kind of handshake between that system to this system. Say that like they will be giving, they will be locking their system with this user password. So they will give the key to you. So whenever you are logging in, you have to open with that key that way. So that's about QMP. So like we have like multiple systems here. We won't be using all of this. Like we don't need to know also all this stuff, but just like explaining you like how to explain like how it works in real time. So for this, there will be separate team. Okay, like someone sender team will be there. They will be sending messages and all. But it is good to have this user interface screen. Uh, access and all, like this and all we don't need it. It is for the sender teams, admin team and all, LDAP profile and all they will be creating to manage this. So what we need is this connect one, just to get the credentials and all, and the status, just to like kind of get to how many queues are there, how many topic endpoints are there. And we have something called as try me. Okay, if you just click on open broker manager. Okay, so it is an event broker, what we call it as event broker. Okay, bro. So when you click on this event open broker manager, so we have like different things here. Okay, you have message VPN here, you have clients here, you have queues, and try me. Okay, so majorly we want all this, other than like we don't want other stuff and all, access control and all, like uh, what we will do, we will create a client. Okay,
Yes, sir.
keep a client and all this thing. So like not we, like the sender team, will be creating a client queues and all. So how they will do, like this is not for us, bro. Like I mean, you don't need to worry much about this. Like this user interface might be new to you and nothing to worry much. So like from sender perspective, I'm telling, okay, there will be like queues here. Okay, like queues and topics are like this. Okay, so uh, the messages like imagine like YouTube. So uh, there will be an event created. Okay, they have created a new video. Okay, and we have something called as queues and topics and their event. Like they will be putting it in a queue. Okay, I am not released this video, but whenever they release that queue has to come to our event broker, that is CPI. So we have, what we have to do, we have to subscribe to that. Okay, so once we create this queue, like you just need to click on create queue, and they will be giving that queue name to you. So that queue name will be consumed in CPA. Okay, if you open this queue, so we have something called as subscriptions. Okay, if you just click on subscription, and if you give like TPY and all, so it's like you are subscribing, the TPY is subscribing to this queue. So these two are getting subscribed. So whenever the message, whenever you want to consume some events from this, so you just can click on either this topic, or you can give the queue name over there. So if you want to show in real time, wait, I just created one Word doc. I will open that. Mm, 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . 。 . 。 . . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . You're getting it right, like similar to YouTube. Okay, like one if you have the subscribe option only, then only we'll get all the updates from them, right? So similar way, we have this. Just share my screen again. The screen. Let me know if it is visible. Is it
No,
visible?
no, from last time. Now it's
Sorry.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's
Uh,
okay.
okay. So what we have, we'll be having one publisher here. Okay, we'll be having one subscriber here. What he will do, we'll publish. What he will do, we will consume. So how it will be consumed? So like we are an event broker. It will be
Mm.
consumed. So imagine we will just go to back and just click on this try me. Okay. I'm not using CPI for today's class, so I'll just explain you like what how it works in real time. So this is publisher, this is subscriber. Okay, so
Mm.
here we can publish the messages, and you can here you can consume the messages. So you have an options to connect using the username password here. So what we will do, you just need to come here, connect. Okay, so it is which one it is? Solace Java Web Script API. Okay. So here you can see it is already like I try to connect this Solace Java Web Script. Okay. If you see the host, MR connection, Solace Cloud 443 and all, this is the host, and the message VPN is Dave VPN broker, and the username is this Solace Cloud client. You just need to copy this password and put it here. Okay. And you can either choose a topic or queue to publish to. So whatever comfortable to you. So I will publish to this queue. And if you want to publish to that queue has to be available over there. So I think we will use this try queue one. Okay. Just queue this. Sorry. We'll publish it to queue, and it should be like try Q1. I will use the same um, delivery mode as persistence, and if I just click on publish, did I? Okay. So first I need to click on connect. After giving that password, okay, here I have given the password here. So once you click on connect, it is connected. Okay. Now what we will do, we will publish it to the queue. Which queue it is? Before that, queues, go to queues here. So it is already there. Try Q1. Okay. Mm, okay. Now we copy this. Just paste it here, persistent. Then if you click on publish, so what it says, message published, one persistent, right? What it means, it is persisted in the queue. Like whatever we are sending a message, it was there already. Say some dummy message, flight status message. So it went to the queue. How you can check? You came here, right? Like we are checking the queues. So if you see the try Q1, I've created a Q1 earlier with the try Q1 name. So what we publish that message to the queue. So it came here. You can see like message queued is one. Like it is in a queue now. If you see here, it is already there in a queue. Publisher ID is the sequence number is like all the details related to the that queue is here. And if you see the consumer, there is no consumer as of now. Okay, subscriptions and all is not there. So this is like the default thing. Now we want to consume that message from this topic. How we will consume? So here also we want to connect to this like you want to establish to the same connection. Okay, now it is also connected. It's the same user password over there, like same as publisher and all. Now from where do you want to consume that message, right? uh, There is queue option. Yeah. Publish, subscribe, only to subscribe. Where is queue option? Suggestions. Okay, here. So you have an option here, bind an endpoint to receive guaranteed messages. So here you have to give that queue name and you need to click on start consume. So now it came like messages one persistent. So if you see the same messages which we sent here, we have consumed it. Okay, if you go now refresh this, the message is 0. It already got consumed. And if you click on consumer, it says the try me, like it consumed from the try me page only, subscriber, and it got consumed like similar way. So when somebody, like imagine you are the YouTube content creator, you have created one video and it is in queue. Once you upload it, it will be there in the your channel, and so subscriber will get notification. So if he like if he has subscribed to it, like once, like what we did, we have connected to a YouTube channel as we have subscribed to your channel, like we did connect it to your thing, and we have come to your channel, say like Bhavani's SAP CPI channel, we have given that name, and once we you know open your video, like start consuming your video, like we will get whatever the recent video we got. Similarly it is like this. Okay, so uh, here it is just a try me page. Like how does it work, kind of demo they are saying, like see a publisher will send you a message, you can consume the message like that. So CPA, what we will do, if you want to publish message, we will put it in the receiver adapter. You getting my point?
Yeah.
అంటే మనం ఏమైనా పబ్లిష్ చేయాలంటే ఇమాజిన్ వీఆర్ ద పబ్లిషర్స్ అండ్ సే సమ్ థర్డ్ పార్టీ సిస్టమ్ ఇస్ కన్స్యూమింగ్. సో రిసీవర్ లో అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెషర్ అడాప్టర్ లేదా AMQP అడాప్టర్ పెడతాం. లేదంటే మనం కన్స్యూమ్ చేస్తామంటే సెండర్ లో అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెషర్ అడాప్టర్ లేదా AMQP అడాప్టర్ పెడతాం. సో ఐ హావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ వన్ ఫ్లో. Sorry. Package page is an advanced event machine. So I created this published queue flow. Okay, I just open this flow. So basically advanced event mesh లో ఇదే చేస్తాం బ్రో, అంటే పబ్లిష్ చేస్తాం లేదంటే కన్జ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ సీయింగ్ దిస్ లో మనం ఇప్పుడు పబ్లిష్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో వీఆర్ కీపింగ్ ద అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెష్ ఇన్ ద రిసీవర్ అడాప్టర్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ సెండర్ లో పబ్లిష్డ్ క్యూ అని పోస్ట్ లో నుంచి విల్ పబ్లిష్ ద మెసేజ్ ఆర్ లైక్ వేరెవర్ ఫ్రమ్ SAP నుంచి మెసేజ్ వస్తే SAP కి మనం CPI ఎండ్ పాయింట్ URL ఇస్తాం. సో దే విల్ బి పబ్లిషింగ్ ఇట్ టు CPI విల్ బి పబ్లిషింగ్ ఇట్ టు ద అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెష్. సో ఇది అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెష్ అడాప్టర్. If you see this, transport protocol is TCP, message protocol is SMF here. Okay, so connection lo vaste we have to give that host message VPN username, password, whatever we are seeing it, right? Here, connect law, Solace law, whatever this details that we have to use it in CPA. So same thing we have used. So here we're using AMQP or which one is this? Yeah, this one. Solace Java Web API use చేస్తున్నాం. So we are publishing the message to the Solace account. So we'll be using that username and all. So here ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే మానిటర్ లో సెక్యూరిటీ మెటీరియల్ లో so we have something called as secure parameter and similarly like user credentials. Okay, if you see this secure parameter, what it will do. Okay, so now we have like username authentication is based, it says password secure alias. So it just wants password to be stored in the security material. Then we will be using the secure parameter and so we will just give the username here and password 2 times, and if you just click on deploy, it will be coming in the security material. Okay, so I just done the given the username of this Solace cloud client and password is this, and we have to give that password 2 times here. Okay, if it shows the password secure alias only, so then we have to give this, and here we have to give the name, like what is the alias name which we are given. This is the alias name which we are given, so that name we have to give it here in the password secure alias. Okay, so that is the connection, that's how we will connect. And then processing lo emante we'll have multiple options here. Okay, మనం క్యూ కి పబ్లిష్ చేస్తామంటే we'll have to use the persistent option here. Okay, so if you want to publish it to the topic, then we'll be using it in the like endpoint type లో క్యూ టాపిక్ అనే 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అక్కడ మనం డైరెక్ట్ అది ఇది యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ నౌ లైక్ ఫస్ట్ విల్ సీ లైక్ పర్సిస్టెన్స్, దెన్ విల్ గో టు డైరెక్ట్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎండ్ పాయింట్ టైప్ క్యూ వీఆర్ పబ్లిషింగ్ టు క్యూ అండ్ ద డెస్టినేషన్ నేమ్ ఈస్ header.queue name. సో we can like we are making it a dynamic. Okay, ఏ క్యూ నేమ్ కి పబ్లిష్ చేయాలి, that queue name has to come from the backend. And message type is automatic binary but text based on like now we are keeping it as a automatic. Okay, then message properties lo we are like time to live until we have kept everything as default. We'll see like one by one later. So we will publish it to one queue. We have advanced event mesh created here. So this, so what we are doing, we are just sending some random message hello aim like that. Okay, and we are publishing it to the queue name called as queue first, and that queue first we have already created here. If you see, queue first is already there. Now it has like one message is already there. Like when I just send one message now from it is okay. Using the other environment, it's a new trial account environment, and if you just send again, so now it send hello AEM, and if you come here, if you just refresh this, it is coming as 2 messages. Okay, message queued is this, and the recent message which came was October 15, 9:39. So it just came now. Publisher ID is this and all. You can check in CPI also. Go to recent message. The message came here. Like we sent from Postman. In real time ఎలా ఉంటుంది, SAP backend world మనకు సెండ్ చేస్తారు CPI కి, we will publish to the queue whatever we want to send. So ఒక మెసేజ్ వెళ్ళింది, like whatever payload they send, we will be publishing it to that queue. We say like there is no error in this. Intermediate error is false. ఇక్కడ sometimes even it fails, CPI లో completed అని వస్తుంది, but you can monitor this parameter intermediate error అంటే like true ఉంటే there is some intermediate error but still it's showing as completed అని అది చూసుకోవచ్చు. And that's how we are sending, bro. It is simple. Like see, event driven integrations అని you might have seen in the requirements or LinkedIn లో ఎక్కడైనా జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చూస్తే they will be telling like different types of integration patterns. Event driven integration, API first API first approach, a cloud integration. So event driven integration is all this. Like whenever there is a change in event, so event will drive from uh, the sender to the receiver. So ఇప్పుడేంటి we will have this try me as a publisher, try me as a subscriber కదా. So what we have done, we have created one queue event broker లో. సో మనం సెండర్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ పబ్లిషర్ Solace. We have connected to that Solace. We have created one queue in the event broker. Browser కూడా as of now, like we have kept it as a Solace, but ideally in real time SAP sender అవుతుంది, CPI event broker లాగా ఉంటుంది, and some third party system, if they are consuming, it will become like CPI key and third party system, it will be like changing the position. Like manam publish cheste we will be the publisher, if they publish they will become the publisher that way, and event broker will be always the same, that will become the CPA. This app advanced event mentioned all. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనం queue create చేసాం. Okay, then we have connected to the broker, we have published that message, and we have got that credentials. So we have when we connected, what we are like, it has connected to the event broker. Now we have published that message. Okay, ikkada message వచ్చింది, one message in. Then now if you see, one event came from publisher to this. If you see, it came to here, and until and unless someone subscribe to it, it won't go anywhere, it will stay there only. If there is no subscription, nobody will watch the video, right? So we have to connect subscriber to the event broker. So now there is one message stored in the queue, but nobody subscribed to it, so it will be there in the queue only. So once you connect the subscriber to the event broker with the credentials, okay, and then the Solace client will be added here. Like one will be the publisher, and one will be like as soon as somebody is subscribed to that, the clients will get added here. Okay, so the like number of subscriber ela telisipotadi, then they will check like how many subscribers got, like this way only. Okay, so what we did, we connected our subscriber to this event broker, then we have clicked on start consuming. Okay, like it's like now you start giving the messages, then we started getting messages or like video notification and all. So now if you see the queue, the message, the queue, the video, we have seen this, it will be marked as complete, like seen or something like that. So and so members watch the video, like the video, how they will get the content.
Your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. చాలా బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా?
కరెక్ట్ ఒక 2 minutes బ్యాక్ నుంచి.
అవునా?
1 minute బ్యాక్ అలా మధ్యలో బీప్ అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ వచ్చాను.
ఓకే, బట్ మీకు ఇది అర్థమైంది కదా, లైక్ హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ వర్కింగ్. అంటే సింపుల్, ఇప్పుడు పబ్లిషర్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్ ఉంటుంది, లైక్ విల్ బి క్రియేటింగ్ వన్ క్యూఆర్ టాపిక్ ఇక్కడ. యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ ఈవెంట్ కమ్స్, లైక్ మనం కనెక్ట్ చేసాము, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది ఈవెంట్, రైట్? సో సింపుల్ దట్ వే. Similar way, like we are working with a breaker that supports topics and queues, and you are using topic based subscriptions ఉంటే, లైక్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, క్యూ ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు. నౌ we can get the messages from the topic also. Both are the same concepts, topic queue, but queue should always be subscribed to the topic anamata, then only we'll get messages. Okay, so if we have like multiple queues and all, so we will be assigning it to one topic. You could choose there. We have like try QA, this is one queue and this is one queue, and we'll have publisher, consumer and all. Okay, if you see there is try QA and try QB, so we have connected to this event broker. Okay, so we have published one message to topic T1, TP1 ikkada vachindi. Okay, సో ఒక ఈవెంట్ కూడా వచ్చింది, లైక్ విల్ బి ఇక్కడ క్యూకి వెళ్ళి వి విల్ యాడ్ దట్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ అండ్ TP1 అని వస్తుంది. సో సమ్ ఈవెంట్ విల్ ఆల్సో బి క్రియేటెడ్. పబ్లిష్ చేసినాక Then if you see, try QA1 got one message. Okay, one messages will be loaded over there. Then once we add the try QB to TP1 also, we'll get the messages from into the ఈ టాపిక్ లో కూడా మనకి వస్తుంది. So I will just show in real time. Work is something called as publish to topic also. Okay. What is this? But shouldn't we have try QA? Okay. Subscriptions, which is we have we have added a TP1 subscription to the try QA queue. Okay, and we have try QB. We have added TP1 TP2 subscription to the try QB. So whenever we send message to try QB or TP2, it will just come to this TP1 ki message చేసామంటే it will go to both try QA and try QB. Like similar way, like if you have two subscribers, okay, you and me, okay, so you have subscribed to Virat Kohli channel, I have subscribed to the Virat Kohli channel. So when Virat Kohli uploaded some video, we both will get the notification. But I have subscribed to one extra channel, Rohit Sharma's also. So when Rohit Sharma updates video, it will come only to me only, like this only. Like this, you only get the message, you won't get the notification. Similar way. Okay, so we'll go here and we have something called as topic name and all here. So I'll just open that below. AMQP publish to topic చూస్తే, so similar way, like we'll have message from there. Advanced machine లో connection add చేసాం, same connections, and we'll be giving the topic name here. Okay, rest all remains same, but endpoint team lo, sorry, endpoint type lo we'll give the topic. Okay, rest everything is same over here. You see, I've added, like, given all the steps here. So we have subscribed try QA to TP1, that this queue to this tip topic, and this queue to this topic. So now I'll just publish it to TP2 something, say hello AM from TP2 send చేస్తే 200. Okay, if you go here, just refresh the message. See, now earlier it was 2, now it has 3. Message queue lo చూస్తే, so this two, ignore this two, we can I'll just delete these ones. These are from October 11th. So ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే sorry, ఇది October 15, just 9:49 trigger చేసాం కదా. So that one, so it came in the which queue? It came try QB లో వచ్చింది. ఎందుకు? మనం ట్రిగర్ చేసింది ఈ టాపిక్ కదా, TP2. అది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ట్రై QB లో మాత్రమే we have this TP2 available. Sorry, subscription. ఈ క్యూ మాత్రమే దీనికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అయింది. So it has come to this message only. If you see, the try QA didn't come here. So same thing, if I just send message to TP1, if you see now, just note it down, like ikkada 1 undi, ikkada 0 undi, send chesanu. Okay, now I'll just come here, refresh. See, now it has become 1 2 messages went to both the queues. Okay, that way. You just compare this with the YouTube channel, then it's so easy if you compare that way. So we have
Okay.
seen like how to publish to queue and all. So how to consume the message from queue and topic. Suppose manam consume చేస్తున్నాము, someone else is using it. So then we have to put advanced event machine the sender adapter. Someone else will be sending and we will be consuming it. సో అక్కడ కూడా ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ లో అడ్వాన్స్డ్ event mesh అడాప్టర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము అండ్ రెస్ట్ ఇది ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ సేమ్ కనెక్షన్ అవన్నీ సేమ్ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ సేమ్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ప్రాసెసింగ్ లో మాత్రం కన్జ్యూమర్ మోడ్ గ్యారంటీడ్. parallel consumer అంటే how many messages you are consuming, whether do you want to consume one message or five messages and all. So as of now I kept it one, default is one. క్యూ నేమ్ ఏ క్యూ నుంచి కావాలి మీకు, that one, like messages where you are fetching. If it is topic, then come here, just click on change here, give it direct, and then we have to give the topic value here. Like you just click on add and give the tpx as whatever the topic name you want to give, that one. Okay, I have created another flow for that, but now we'll see the q1. So the queue name is queue first. So I've created that queue already. This queue first, okay, and we'll be consuming messages from queue first. So now we have like two messages, right? So this flow will consume those two messages. And if you see this, we have acknowledgement mode also. Like once we consume messages, or like we have two options here, like automatic immediate and automatic on exchange complete. And automatic immediate ante as soon as we consume the messages, it will send that acknowledgement, hey, we got a message and all. But automate on exchange complaint, like once it comes, whether it is successful or failed, that acknowledgement will go back. Success it is success acknowledgement, failure it failure acknowledgement, that will do that. But as of now we'll go with automatic immediate. This and all I have kept it same. Okay, exponential back off retry interval ante fail ayindanuko. Okay, so after how many times you want to read, like after 1000 milliseconds into 1 second, you try again, you try to send that, try to consume the message again. Or maximum retry interval in until like how within maximum retry interval, like after how many seconds you want to, like how many times you want to retry, that one. And exponential back off ante it's like after 1 second. Okay, I've given like how many retry attempts I've given? 5 attempts given, right? So after 1 second, it will retry again. At that time, it will try for uh, 15 times. Like 5 with 3 is a 15. 15 times it will retry. So usually we won't keep this much account, this much number and all. We'll keep like maximum message processing attempts will be one, and here also. Sorry, where did that go? So here we have kept it as a default. Usually we'll keep it as a one only. Okay, or we'll change this exponential back off as like one, so that the number of retries. ఎందుకంటే we want to avoid the retries కదా, like someone has to see the error, what is the error, and he has to fix the error, then only you have to retry. So simply retrying it will increase the number of messages on CPI, it will increase the load. So that we will do, but as of now we'll keep the default as like we know, like it won't we won't error it out, right? So now how we will consume, like once you deploy this, I have undeployed it. So I'll just what I will do, I'll just click on the trace. From Q, where is it? Okay, consume from Q first. Okay, we have to go and upload this one, right? Integration లో ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, deploy చేస్తాను. Integration వస్తుంది, integration content, switch into trace mode. Now I go to enter message processing. So it is still in info, but see now you have seen the two messages here, right? If I just click on refresh, two messages came here, like in the CPA. You see like two messages are here. So consumer, earlier there was no consumer, so now that consumer is also here. Last acknowledged message ID and all, everything is here. Like if you say like last connect was 2020 10 5 9:55, like just now activation 9:55:56. So every detail will be there. ఎప్పుడు కావాలో అప్పుడు కన్జ్యూమ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎప్పుడు కావాలో పబ్లిష్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సిమిలర్లీ how we will consume from topic, it will be here. ఇక్కడ just advanced event mesh lo processing lo we will give the, rather than guaranteed, we will give this direct and we will give the tpx value అంటే టాపిక్ నేమ్ వాల్యూ ఇస్తాము. రెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ kept default. సో నా ఇక్కడ tpx క్యూ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, లైక్ టాపిక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూద్దాం. సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ లో see now we have like tpx tpy like here, right? So now there is no message. So just what we will do, ఇక్కడ ఉంది అది already deployed అది. So now we are getting this point, right? So connect చేసాము, ఏ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఉంటుందో దానికి మాత్రమే వెళ్తుంది. TP1 TP2 TP1 ఇవన్నీ. Okay, imagine like we have like TP1 TP2, there are many messages. So if they have consumed only this, only consume TP2, then it will go to TP2. If they have subscribed to only TP1, then the TP1 will only go that way. ఇది పోస్ట్ పేడ్ నుంచి ఈవెంట్ సెండర్ HTTP ఉంటుంది, క్యూ ఫస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ టు CPI. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెష్ అడాప్టర్ రిసీవర్ కి వెళ్తుంది. సో వాట్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈవెంట్ మెషర్, వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ డూ, ఇట్ విల్ గో టు ఈవెంట్ బ్రోకర్, ఇట్ విల్ చెక్ ద క్యూస్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద మెసేజెస్, ఇట్ విల్ ఫెచ్ దట్ మెసేజ్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ టు CPI అండ్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ ఉంటే అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ సెండ్ చేస్తుంది మళ్ళీ. టాపిక్ ఉంటే ఇలా, క్యూ ఉంటే ఇలా, టాపిక్ ఉంటే TPX ఉంటుంది, క్యూ ఫస్ట్ క్యూ సెకండ్. సో ఎవరైనా పబ్లిష్ మెసేజ్ చేస్తే it will go to both the queues and we will have to fetch it from both the queues. So now what I will do, monitor integration CPI, consume from queue, consume from topic etnande. Okay, this one, this is already deployed. So what I will do, I will just publish something to the TPX so that we will get the messages here. I'll just click on one message, two message, three message అని చేస్తాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 3 messages వచ్చింది. ఎలా వచ్చింది? సో ఇప్పుడు క్యూకి వెళ్తే now it is 0, right? So we have ఈ queue లో ఉంది కదా ఆ టాపిక్. సో if I now just click on thrice, fresh చేస్తే it will be 0. But if I'll just show you, like undeploy చేస్తాను ఒకసారి. Consume from topic queue first and deploy. Yes. So now we have stopped consuming. Undeploy చేసామంటే we are not consuming it, so that it will be there in queue. మీరు డిలీట్ చేసిన కూడా లైక్ whenever if you want to decommission ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అని కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ decommission అంటే లైక్ you don't want some specific interfaces after using, like migration ఏమైనా చేసామనుకో, PA to CPI చేసాం, then you don't want PA interfaces, you want to decommission them, or you have some new application came, so you have moved interfaces to that application. ఎలా delete చేయాలంటే you always come to flow here, like you have to get that functional requirement first and all, project and all. So first you have to undeploy, then only you have to delete. You can't directly delete చేసామంటే ఆ ఎంట్రీ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది and it will create a duplicate issue and all. Okay, so first undeploy, then delete always. So now it is already getting stopped. I'll just try to send it again. 1 2 3, and you see this, it is still getting fetched. This is consumer, I think it's still active. Let it get, okay, now it is not there. Consume from queue also I will undeploy. The messages are coming here because we have subscribed to both Q and topic, right? So if not this, if you see that recent 3 messages might have come here. 9, 10, 1, 10, 2 ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. So రెండుని మనం ఆపి now we will send it again. 1, refresh. See, ఇప్పుడు 3 messages ఉన్నాయి. Okay, now what I will do, if we deploy the topic first, it will come here. I'll go deploy this. It started. So I haven't done anything. 3 messages వచ్చాయి already. So what did I give over there? Laying from TP2. Now if I send it again, the number will be remain same. Is not getting connected. Okay, key also we need to deploy. అది కూడా deploy చేసాం కదా. That's see the recent messages. 10-4 కి వచ్చింది. All the 4 messages. 1, 2, 3, 4. All that says hello AM from TP2. So the body which you sent, hello AM from TP2. ఇలా. Okay, if you see in real time, like diagram లో చూస్తే Q first, Q second key అవుతుంది. So from postman we'll be sending to CPA. CPA will be using receiver advance. So it is like publishing. Consuming అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. Event broker నుంచి SAP Integration Suite, SAP Integration Suite ఉంటుంది. So like Q first, Q second. Imagine it as like 2 different queues. So if this queue is like, if this flow is consuming the messages from this queue, all the events will be going to this flow only, and this flow is consuming all the messages from second queue. All the queues will go to this only. Not, it won't get interchanged or something like that. That's what they have seen. Like once it went, and it will send automatic acknowledgement. We have seen that parameter, right? Like automatic immediate and automatic on exchange complete. ఇక్కడ అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ నోడ్ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇమీడియట్ అంటే ఇమీడియట్ గా అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ వస్తుంది మీకు. సిమిలర్ గా కన్జ్యూమ్ ఫ్రమ్ టాపిక్ ఉంటుంది. ఈవెంట్ బ్రోకర్ SAP ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సూట్. ఈవెంట్ బ్రోకర్ ఇస్ వాట్ వి సీయింగ్ దిస్ వన్ PubSub and all. So there. Okay, so wherever we are subscribed, CPA will go consume the message from that topic respectively. Okay, and it will fetch the message. Event వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, and then event will come to here, and whatever topic we are subscribed will come to that. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss like what is TTL, like ఈ processing లో చూసాం కదా, publish లో parameters ఏమని. I will explain that tomorrow. As of now, this much is enough for today. Since you want to go to store
by 2 or 1:30.
Oh, okay, I'm pasting that notes here. ఇక్కడ position 19 okay, AMQP and TTL will see tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Any doubts? Any chance you got to create? Hey, how was the interview yesterday? You were not there yesterday.
It's good.
Which interview was it?
Like just from energetic queue. It is based on supply parts. Japanese, yeah, based on that, I think so. ఎందుకెత్తున్నా బ్రో, ఒక్కొక్క రోజు ఒక్కొక్కటి వెళ్తుంటే ఏం గుర్తున్నట్లు. అది పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సెమీ కండక్టర్ అవి పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి జాపనీస్ దాంట్లో, దాని రిలేటెడ్ కంపెనీ.
సెమీ కండక్టర్
అదే
ఓకే.
పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా,
అంటే
చిప్స్.
ఓకే. 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 ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్. ఓకే. ది జపనీస్ కంపెనీయా? ఓకే. వాట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దే ఆస్క్ లైక్ ఏమైనా రిలేటెడ్ ఉందా అంటే మన క్లాస్ ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్ పే సైకిల్ దాని గురించి అడిగారా లేదా
అది
సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్?
అప్లికేషన్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ రిలేటెడ్, ఈఆర్పి
ఎస్.
అప్లికేషన్స్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్.
ఓకే. ఏమైనా
అది
లైక్
115 to 120 పర్ ఇయర్. నేను 125 to 135 అడిగాను.
ఓకే. ప్యాకేజా?
అయ్యో, అంటే అలా అన్నాను అంతే.
ఓకే. లైక్
అది
$115 you mean?
115K పర్ ఇయర్.
158 ఓకే.
విల్మింగ్టన్ లో రిలోకేట్ అవుతుంది అన్నారు.
ఓకే. దెన్ సరే అయితే హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. కనెక్ట్
ఈ
టుమారో.
ఎంఈఎస్ సిస్టమ్ మీద బ్రో, ఎంఈఎస్ సిస్టమ్ మీద అంటే సిస్ ప్రో నుంచి S4 HANA మూవ్ అవుతున్నారు అనమాట. వీరికి టెక్నికల్ యాజ్ వెల్ as లీడర్షిప్ ఎక్స్పర్టీస్ రెండు కావాలన్నాడు.
2016 బ్రో. ఐ థింక్ రేపు కూడా నాకు 9 o'clock కాల్ ఉందా? కాల్ టుమారో. మీరు కనెక్ట్ టుమారో తో సేమ్ టైం బ్రో. 1 hour కాల్ షెడ్యూల్ చేస్తున్నట్టే. క్రిస్మస్ ఉంది కదా, సో
దాన్ని బట్టి చూడండి. లేదంటే తీసుకుంటాం.
సరే. ఓకే దెన్. చలో బై. గుడ్ నైట్. సారీ.
బాయ్, గుడ్ నైట్.